I'm Maggie.
And I'm Emmeline.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today's Thursday, February 13th.
February 2nd was Groundhog's Day. Paxton Newey Phil predicted 6 more weeks of winter.
Oh man.
Do you not like winter or something?
Summer's better. It's so cold.
Well, I'm glad that there are 6 more weeks of winter. That means 6 more weeks of snow.
On Tuesday, there is macaroni and cheese for lunch.
This week we are doing the semifinals of the air hockey tournament. Who are you rooting for to win?
I don't know.
The Super Bowl was last Sunday.
Who won?
The Eagles.
Oh man.
Who did you want to win?
The Chiefs. Today is the 5th day of the second semester.
That means there are 116 days left until the last day of school.
And there are only 38 more days until spring break.
Yay, that is so soon.
We will not have school this Monday.
Why not?
Because it's President's Day.
So we will have to have school on Friday. We are also having a second quarter celebration also on Friday. The OBOB teams will be competing to see who will represent Colton at regionals. The tardy competition ended last week.
Who won?
The 6th graders won.
Are you sure? Didn't they win last time?
They did. Congratulations to the 6th graders for winning their second tardy competition of the year. Guess what the fun fact of the week is?
Is it that octopuses have 3 hearts?
No, the fun fact of the week is that Alaska is the only U.S. state that can be typed with using one row of the keyboard.
That's pretty cool. Is there any other words that can be typed using one row of the keyboard?
Yeah, the word typewriter can be spelled using the top row of the keyboard.
That's so cool. Want to hear the joke of the week?
Yeah, is it funny?
Yeah. What word can you add 2 letters to make it shorter?
That doesn't make any sense. If you had 2 letters to a word, it would make it longer, not shorter. What's the answer?
The word short! The word short.
Huh, that doesn't really make sense.
If you add an E and an R to the word short, it becomes shorter.
Oh, that makes sense now.
Oh, I almost forgot. We will now have health on Thursdays instead of Mondays.
What grades are doing that?
All grades.
Oh, I didn't know that. I was kind of confused why we had PE on Monday.
I think that's all for the CMS broadcast. Bye.
Wait.
What?
I almost forgot to say that Student Council was selling candy grams during lunch this week, and today they will be handed out.
Oh yeah, $1 for 3 candies, $2 for 7 candies, and $3 for 12 candies.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, I think that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I think that's...
Because it's... Oh. Where are we?
We will not have school this Monday.
Oh, okay. We will not... Candy can't...
This is crazy.
Okay. Want to hear the joke of the week?
Yeah, is it funny?
Yeah. What word can you add 2 letters to make it shorter?
That doesn't make any sense. If you had 2 letters to a word, it would make it longer, not shorter. What's the answer?
The... Oh.
Oh my God.